fam with them. Today I'm going to review a beauty product called the Iconsign Lash Lift. It's an eye perming kit. Now my male subscribers, wait, don't go. You never know, this may be useful to you, because guess what, this product may be lying around in your house and you may want to recommend that person, be it your wife, your sister, your friend, to watch my video, because I'll be going into pros and cons of using this product. So stick around, it may be useful to you, trust me. Don't just rule this video off already, okay? Have I convinced you to stay? Please do. And while you're at it, if you're new here, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. So here is how I intend to break this video down. I want to take you guys through the items in this product. I also want to tell you about why anyone would buy this product, making me an example. And I also want to go through the pros and cons of using this product. I know what you're thinking, like, why don't you just do a tutorial? Why don't you just really apply this product? Guys, it breaks my heart, but I have done this. Oh god, I really did not want to make this excuse, but then I have recorded. There was a power cut, it came back on, something happened, I did not check, but it stopped recording, so I lost everything. I was determined to record another video. I was like, okay, because when you apply this to your lashes, it's supposed to last you 4 to 6 to even 8 weeks. But then every week, I thought it would just last maybe 2 weeks. I was like, they never live up to their promises. But then it lasted. So that is one pro. You will know what it's for, but it did last. That's one thing I can tell you for sure. So it's what, 6 weeks now, and it still has the effect it promised. Let me just get into quickly what this eyelash perming kit is supposed to do. So I'm going to answer the question that I think you'll be asking: why would anyone buy this, and what is it for? So this product is meant to kind of curl your lashes. It's meant to make your lashes look a lot more pronounced, a lot more visible, and it doesn't make your lash look any longer, but then it curls them and they hold that shape. So you don't have to use an eyelash curler, and if you have long lashes, they will be pronounced, because when your lashes are extended like this, they're not visible. It does not look like you have long lashes, but when they're curled up a bit, they're quite visible. They look fanned out, they look like the eyelash extensions. And if you're someone like me, I can apply an eyelash extension, but I struggle with it. I'm not perfect. All of the glue residue, it has been making my eyelash fall out. So I really wanted a solution where I could avoid the eyelash extension, and I could avoid wasting time doing mascara, curling my lashes and all of that. So that is why you would want to go for this. So let's get into what is in this box anyway. You know me and my unboxing, but this is not much of an unboxing anyway. Alright, so we have here, so we have here the glue. This is the glue, and this is they have numbers. So this is the first step, this is the second step, this is the third step, and this is the fourth step. We have in this box something that we call cleaning tools, and this is the lift pads. They're also the pads that you apply to the eyelash, to the eyelid, to hold your eyelash. Okay, so this is what you would start with. So before I bought this, when I was watching other tutorials, I realized that they did not mention sizes. So they have the small, the medium. Oh no, there's a goal. Oh, guys, I forgot to mention, if you hear screaming in the background, should be my son and my siblings, and there's a soccer game, so you will hear mature men voices screaming. Let's hope there's no goal until I'm done filming. All right, so we have small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and we have large. So I recommended using the small pad because it sticks to your eyelid, because the small is also the measurement of my eyelid is small, and a lot of people's eyelid. So it's between using the small and the medium. But on second thoughts, I don't think that's a good idea, because what that did to my lashes was that, okay, let me show you small first. Okay, first of all, this is what they look like. I really hope you can see. This is what they look like, okay? and you will be applying them, or you will see that in the video. So this is medium 2, and let me just try to find large. So there is this thick border here, and if you and that's what the measurement is for. So if this border is not too thick, it's small, and as it gets bigger, it's medium 1, medium 2, and large. But I recommended in the other video that you should use small because it fits to the lid, and that was my mistake, because this lash, after the whole procedure, when I washed my face and my eyelash dried, this lash was a lot curled. It was curled, and it really frustrated me. It made my eyelash look really short, because this is where you fold your lashes. You know, it sits on your lid like this, very close to the lash line, and you fold your lashes over this very thick border. And if it's too thin, it's like folding your lashes into two and pressing them until they're flat, so it makes it shorter. So use the cleanser first of all, clean the area, clean your lashes. You put this to your lid, and then you apply the glue to your lashes, and then there is a tool for the purpose of this video. Let's call it a Y. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So let's call it a Y tool. So when you apply this to your lid, apply the glue. You take this to, you see, this is how it goes. You take this to scrape your lashes up and make sure it sticks to the pad. You do this motion. I hope you can see it, guys. This motion, this way, okay? This is what you do. And then to make your eyelashes really fanned out, you take the small tooth, comb, and then you comb your lashes like this. And you make them stick using the other blunt end. So that's what you do. So when you have the glue on, you use the perm. So they're all in small bottles. We have the perm. You use that, and you should apply it to the lash and leave it on for 12 minutes, 8 to 12 minutes, but I left it on for 12 minutes. And you wipe it off. I used baby wipes for that. Use the fixation solution. It's blue. Use that, and then you leave it on for 12 minutes, and then use the nutrition. So what I did, I washed my eyes. I mean, it's chemical, I was afraid. I washed my eyes completely, and then I used the nutrition. Let me see if you have to wash it again. No, you don't have to wash it after using the nutrition. So the nutrition is the last thing that you use, and they hold their shape. So guys, let me quickly go through what I believe to be the pros of using this product. I think I already mentioned some of them when I was talking about why you'd want to buy it in the first place. It is an eyelash curler. It is an eyelash curler. I don't know, somewhere before buying it, I read somewhere that it extends. No, it doesn't. It does not do any type of extension. It just, you know, enhances the look of your eyelashes, and it curls it. That's the main thing that it does. It curls it, and it stays curled. So if you're someone who uses the eyelash curler a lot, and you want your eyelashes to, you just want a day where you could just go out and your eyelashes are curled, then this is for you. I mean, it does what it says it will do. But I had a headache after using all of that. But then again, I used this, and I also used the tint the same day within the same hour. You know, so it may have been either of them, but I had a headache, and that is why I did not do another video really applying them to my lashes, and it takes forever. It lasts, so if you get it right, you're in for a treat, because it will last you 2 months. You know, this is 6 weeks, so it will last you, and it may even last longer than that. So it really does last. Your eyelashes will be curled, they will be fanned out, but you have to be very sure when you're sticking them to the lid, the lid pads. You have combed them out, and they are stuck in a way that you would want to see. Because if you have a few lashes bunched here, they will be bunched there for more than 6 weeks. Trust me. I have a situation with one of the lashes. They're bunched together because I was really tired. I was like, oh, I'll mascara, I'll just comb them out. No, it will go back together because it stays that way. And you can totally, there was a video that I watched The person was concerned about whether if you wash your face, it holds its shape. So that is a pro. So it does say what it will do. However, a con would be you need to make sure you have long lashes. If you don't, it's not for someone who has, you know, average lashes like I thought. I thought I had long lashes. Apparently they're average. They're not long. And a mascara does the trick for me, but this does not do the trick for me. At least not now. Overall, I'll give this product an 8. Yeah, that's a good grade. That is a good grade. Another con is the instructions. They're not very clear, but if you understand English, you can manage. I guess I've covered everything that I wanted to regarding this product, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give this video a like. That's a thumbs up right down there, and I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum, guys. Love you guys.